Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am making a cutaway sweater self-portrait. You can see from my rough draft that I drew a full body self-portrait and cut out the shape of some of the clothing in my outfit. This allows me to change the colors, patterns, and textures, and then overall design of that piece of clothing. In this video I am going to show you how you can make a cutout sweater. If you are trying this art challenge out for yourself, you can cut out a sweater like me, or try another piece of clothing. To get started, you will need a blank piece of paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Begin by folding the paper in half, the long, skinny way. Next, you'll draw half of the sweater off the crease of that folded sheet of paper. To make a sweater like mine, you'll begin by sketching a rectangle in the center of your paper for the body of the sweater. Then draw a long oval attached to the rectangle for the arm. Lastly, add two small rectangles at the bottom ends of the oval and body rectangle, and ta-da! You would then have a drawn half of a sweater. To make this cutout fashion, simply cut along the outside edge of your drawing. Please be careful when you cut not to cut along every line that you drew. You only want to cut along the outside edge of the sweater shape. Let's check out how that's going for me. Once you have cut out the sweater shape, you can unfold your paper and begin drawing your self-portrait by adding the rest of your body. This project reminds me about the importance of fashion in our world. Fashion design is an art form found all around the world and all throughout history. Fashion is the art of designing clothing, and fashion designers have the important job of putting the visual elements of art together to make clothes that are special. By working on this art challenge, you are working like a fashion designer. Let's check out how my design's looking now. Final steps in this art challenge are to finish the portrait with lots of color and details. I designed the rest of my clothing in this picture and create a swirly background. When all of your drawing is done, you can play with your art by holding your cutaway sweater up to different things around you. Look for cool colors, textures, and patterns that would look good on your sweater. I do hope you try this in your own style. The challenge is to create a portrait with the shape of a piece of clothing cut away. It can be a sweater, a hat, pants, or more. And your design can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, I know it will be great. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.